Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another unboxing. I know I just did one of these last Friday and I know my uploads have been so bad lately, but I'm in that show like I mentioned, and rehearsal has been every single day from 7:30 to 11 at night on top of classes and work, and I'm just really stressed out. So I actually came home from school just to film this video, and I'm going back to school tonight for rehearsal again. I don't even have lipstick on. I just have chapstick. Like, this is who I have become. But we're here today because I finally got my Fabfitfun box for the fall in the mail, and I'm so excited. So if you guys don't know what Fabfitfun is, it's a seasonal box, so 4 times a year you pay $49.99. There is a $10 off code that I have for my thing, so I'll link that down below. You save $10, so your box will be $40. That's the way I did it. I took someone else's code and I got it for $40, and I tried it out in the summer and I just loved it so much that I decided that I wanted to continue this subscription box. And here it is. It's fall, which is crazy. My show opens in 22 days. Great. So I'm just going to open this box in front of me. It's really large. I can't even fit it into the camera really. Okay, so Fabfitfun always has this. This is like a little magazine, and inside it has all of the products that we're getting in our Fabfitfun this month and the variations, because one of the things that I love so much about Fabfitfun is there's variations but with limits. So it's like you literally don't know what you're getting, and I just love that concept. So we have everything here, and as I pull them out I will read descriptions and such. This has lifestyle, beauty, health, all that stuff. Okay, so the first thing actually in here is a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. That's like a food thing. And it says $25 off my first 2 boxes and free shipping. How much could this possibly cost if they're giving me $25 off my first 2 boxes, but it's also a $50 gift card? I just wonder how much this is. I'm gonna look that up. But that's pretty cool. Eat healthy, all that jazz. See? Health, food, lifestyle, not just makeup. And then, oh yes, this is my referral code. I'll put this down. It expires in like a month, but okay, so for the first actual product, I open up the bag, I see this. These are masks from Glam Glow, and I'm so excited. I've always wanted to try a Glam Glow product, but that is expensive, and I just can't afford that right now. So these are the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Mask. Wow. And it says on the back here that have fun, get clean, our first of its kind oxygenating deep cleanse mask with green tea, Teoxy, works to reveal glowing and deeply purified skin in just 3 minutes. I'm gonna need this. Tech Week is gonna have its toll on my skin. So the pamphlet here says that these retail for $18. I assume they're $9 each because 2 of them together would be $18. 3D bubble experience, micro bubbles instantly invigorate and detoxify your skin. Awesome, that's so cool. I'm so excited for this. Maybe I'll have Claudio do a mask with me. I'm gonna have Claudia do a mask with me. Okay, the next thing I see in the box is this. I'm actually kind of excited for this. This is the Touch in Soul Metallic Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. Now this retails for $24.99, so it's $25. You could have gotten this or a Pharmacy Do-It-All Eye Cream or a Goa Detox Bath, but I got this one. I've seen these in like the liquid eyeshadow format, but never the liquid lipstick, so it just looks like this. And yeah, one side is definitely more matte and this is the gloss. I'm not super into metallic lipsticks, but I'll have to give it a try. This is actually such a pretty color. I feel like I'd actually wear this color a lot, so I'm excited to try this. I kind of wanted the Pharmacy eye cream, but I've actually been loving my own eye cream, so I'm happy I got this because I need to step out of my nude comfort zone. It's fall now. Time to do fall things. So that's super awesome. I'm super excited for that. And it says the duo lipstick includes a glittery gloss on one end and a metallic liquid lipstick on the other to give you a mesmerizing demi-matte finish. I definitely did notice the gloss has a lot of glitters, but that's fine. Okay, the next thing in here is this. This is from Skin & Co. This is the Blue and Capri Shower Gel. And, oh, just so you know, everyone gets the Glam Glow masks. And this, apparently. Okay, this retails for $22. This says, this multi-purpose shower gel is inspired by the lemon farmers in Capri, Italy, and it's delicious, scented with sage, lemon, and alpine rose. Well, I'm gonna be the judge of that. I actually really like this. I didn't think I was going to. I don't know. Lemon-scented things make me so nervous because sometimes they're just like too lemony, but this one smells so nice. Maybe it's, what is that in there? Sage? The sage and the rose I can definitely smell. It's not overpoweringly lemony. Yep, I'm excited for this. You can always use shower gel as either bubble bath or to clean. So that's really cool. Okay, the next thing in here is also something that we will all be getting. These are tea towels. These retail for $14.99. It says this set features 2 playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk in the kitchen. I will be giving these to my mom since I do still live with my parents. They can always use some nice tea towels. Oh, the next thing I got, I actually did get to pick. I got to choose 3 of the items that are in my box, so I do know 3 of them already. And this is one. This is the Cobra wireless earbuds. This is a white with rose gold accents. I have ones that my boyfriend got me from Skull Candy, and I like them, but I'm afraid of losing those, so I thought I'd bring these into school. So that's why I have them. These, you can either get this or an umbrella. This retails for $40, and it says jam out in style with these chic and comfy Bluetooth earbuds. The onboard controls and neck strap help you enjoy music tangle-free. Yeah, I'm excited. You can always use headphones, so this is great. Okay, the next product in the box is from Grown Alchemist, and it says it's a polishing facial exfoliant, pink grapefruit. And it comes in one of these like metal almost bottles that you can squeeze out all the product, which is really cool and nice. And this retails for $67. And this says gently exfoliate dry skin to reveal a radiant and moisturized complexion. It's formulated with glucosamine and cognac to absorb oils and pink grapefruit to fight free radicals. And let me just open it. It has this little pokey thing at the top to open it. Yeah, that smells really good. I wonder how it feels. I'm just going to take a bit. Oh, good. Okay, the exfoliating beads on this are like larger than what I would have expected, but there's not as many of them, so I definitely feel like you could get a super deep clean with this. Yeah, there's not that many, so it won't be like super harsh. Alright, next thing in the box is this. And I'm so excited for this. This was actually teased, and everyone gets one of these. This is the Beauty Blender. I have not had a Beauty Blender since I started using makeup 2 years ago. I bought the black one, and I spent $20 on it because I was like, there's no other product that's going to work as well as a Beauty Blender. And I know now that's a lie, so I haven't bought a Beauty Blender in probably 2 years, but wow. I got a cute little light pink one. You can get like 10 different colors of this. I'm so excited. I'm going to bring back the Beauty Blender once I'm done with my Eco Tool sponge, but the Eco Tool sponge is just as good, and it's $5. So this is awesome, but I don't recommend spending your money on a Beauty Blender because there are so many dupes out there, but I have another one, so I'm excited. It brings me back to when I first got into makeup. Alright, the next product is big. I also picked this one, yeah. This is from Vince Camuto. It comes in this like dust cloth so you don't get dust on it. And this is a tote. It looks like this. It is 100% vegan leather. And I just saw this and was like, this is a perfect size for my laptop. Oh, it has a card in here. How to take care of it. So I thought this was the most beautiful like fall color. I love the accent of this black stripe. I think it's so incredibly pretty, and I want to like go into the city more and like study and go to like the Met, and I want to take pictures, I want to do stuff, and like I feel like this bag can do it all, as well as if I have days of school where I don't need to bring my backpack, I don't want to. So I'm so excited for this. I know this is an expensive bag. Let's see what it retails for. This retails for $128. Wow. It says comfortably carry your everyday essentials in this giant tote. It features soft interior and a hanging slip pocket to store your keys, lip balm, and more. Made of vegan leather, so you can use a damp cloth to wipe off dirt. That's awesome, and you could have gotten either this or a crown brush set in either rose gold or silver, and that retailed for $75. I chose not to get the brush set because I so many brushes as it is that I didn't need more. And the last thing in here, I actually noticed when I moved this box, when I picked it up, that something was broken sounding. So the last product in my box is actually broken, and it is a teapot from Alfred Teapot. And it's really cool because it's like one of those diffusing teapots, so it's like blue. I'm going to show you the picture. So this is the teapot I was supposed to get. It's like really pretty, and it has blue and flower accents, and it's one of those infuser teapots. And my mom has been so like into diffusing and like making our own teas, so we don't have to like spend money on like bottles or like waste plastic. So I was like, this isn't perfect for my house, and it is so broken. Like, so broken. I actually have to take a picture of this and like email the company, but this doesn't usually happen. Like, I've never had products come broken in my subscription boxes before. It's probably just because of the way UPS handled this. But yeah, that is everything that I got in my Fabfitfun this month. Let me just total up the price for you. Okay, so for my box, the total was $358, and I only paid $50 for this box. And I look at these products and they're all things that I will 100% use, and that's what I like so much about Fabfitfun. Is it's like, it's not just makeup, which I will use and I love. As you guys know, like, I love my BoxyCharm, but I like something a little different. I like something that has a little bit of skincare, a little bit of hair care, a little bit of health and beauty, and just like random things. I just think it's beautiful and whimsical and fun, and I love this box so much. Yeah, it told me up here the box could vary for the range from $285 to $375, so I'm actually on the higher end of like the price range. So yeah, guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video. I will try to be putting up more videos. I'm actually going to edit this one right now. So yeah, thank you guys for bearing with me in this time.